The ENLIGHT Regenerative Village for Children stands to be a prototype that's replicable in Africa and beyond. It's time to give these countries a chance, these cultures a chance to shake off colonial rule and to revisit and to revitalize what is theirs, which is land and use of their hands and integrative ways of gaining knowledge inside of a multifaceted and nurturing community. When you look at it with a fresh eye, you'll see we've been doing it all wrong. The colonial education system imposed by the dominators on the indigenous people was never set up for them to succeed.
And brain development cannot only be achieved from the curriculum.
The ENLIGHT Regenerative Village for Children revolutionizes the way we've been targeting lifting children born into deep need. We will lift them now from deep need to their great potential, which is the birthright of every child. When learning is integrated, the brain lights up. Concepts are really understood and able to be demonstrated. At the same time that we will facilitate a greater chance at success in the standard academic education, we will be delivering to children a sense of their own self-worth, their capacity, their creativity, their innovation, with skills to grow and build and to remember their indigenous crops.
Prove our concept by turning sand into soil with a little bit of money, a lot of work, and 5-6 months. Let's
That's
turn
what we are sure of.
Yes. Okay. And he takes it, mixes it with the leaves, and we will make soil. Very good. Yeah. We have you. We have you with us.
We are together.
Since April 2025, we are turning sand into soil with the most grassroots setup and funding, buying a few tools and getting really creative like rain catch and ways to make fencing out of tree branches. We have begun the process of taking what would otherwise be tossed into the garbage or burned, mixing that organic material into rich soil. Our soil is already being made and growing, and we are ready to spread it out on the land and begin farming in a way that this county has not seen.
Ready soil, the pile of ready. I hope you can see it. It's very, very ready.
With a learning center on an active regenerative food, forest, and farm, plus emergency shelter, ENLIGHT's children will forge a sustainable and generative future for the next generations.
So that you will be good and well and happy.